Okay. I'm gonna go in the house.
Huh? Mama, stay outside. No.
Stay outside? Why?
Outside, stay outside.
Why do I need to stay outside?
Outside now, I in the first.
I gotta go in the house.
No, outside our house. No.
Well, I need to go in the house.
No, no.
Why?
That's it.
I really need to go in the house. I gotta get my shoes on.
Mama,
Why can't I go in the house?
no, not at the house. Yes, Mom.
I need to go in the house so I gotta get my shoes.
No, I'm not hungry to choose.
I need my shoes.
No.
Why?
Because today.
The kitty cat's dead? Did you take the kitty cat into the house? Did you take the kitty cat and put it in the house?
No, he can't.
Wait, why?
No.
Why?
No. Go away.
Go away?
Go away.
Why?
Go away. Go.
Why?
Go.
Why can't I go in the house?
No. No, I want to get back.
What?
Not back. Duck.
Is the kitty cat in my house?
No, they're in the house.
Where's the kitty cat at?
It's it.
The kitty cat's dead, but where's the kitty cat at?
That. No, go outside. Mama, outside. Mama, outside. Outside.
But I really gotta go get my shoes on, Betty.
Hey, Daddy.
There's Granddaddy.
Absolutely forgot that he got a bag of ice and wanted to count on it.
Granddaddy? Somebody took the dead kitty cat and put it in the house.
Where's it at?
I don't know. He won't let me in the house.
Where's the cat, Jeremiah?
Where's the kitty cat at? Show Granddaddy where it's at. He says it's dead, Granddaddy.
I know, and I need to get it, okay? Will you help me? Help me get it. It's very cold. Very cold. Cold, cold, cold. Will you help me get the cat, please? Help me get it. Help me get it. Here it is. I got it.
Mama, go away.
Go away, please. Why do I need to go? Huh? I don't know.
What?
Oh, well, I don't know why.
What?
He won't let me come in the house. Okay, I got my shoes. Thank you. Now, why can't I come in the house? Granddaddy's got the kitty cat.
He just said me this.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not taking. I'm taking.
Okay. Now, why can't I go in the house?